Hey guys, this is Hinfin. This is going to be my first video. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Okay, so I am currently on a new YouTube channel, and then so what happened is I hard resetted my phone, and then yeah, so Al Hanlon or Alkin Hanlon is gone. If you don't know what it is, it's my old YouTube channel. You could search it. You could search up opening a Balisong part 1, and you'll see like a silver blanket. It's also called the trusty blanket because I trust it. Chris, Isaac, and Jackson, they know about it, but you guys don't know who they are because you guys are total losers. Okay, this is going to be the video. I call this the twirl. Shit. I'm in the bathroom right now, so you guys already know. Yeah. Okay, bye.